Yellow.
Yellow ball. Can you see yellow ball? Hmm. Okay, green, red, another ball, another color. Can you see a white color ball? Can you see a white color ball? Touch the white color ball.
White.
Yes. Very good, ma. Thank you so much, Kavi Kartika. See you, Ananya. See you, Ananya. Okay. Can you see a slide there? Can you see a slide there? Slide irka. What color is the slide? Yeah. What color is the slide? Sugriv Gautam. Sugriv Gautam. What color is the slide, ma? Slide என்ன கலர்ல இருக்கு?
Ma'am, you're calling Sugriv?
Yeah, Sugriv Gautam. What color is the slide?
Slide என்ன கலர் சொல்லுங்க?
Slide. Yellow color slide.
Yellow color. Okay, very good. And the steps?
Steps.
Blue color steps.
Ma'am, சொல்லுங்க.
Blue color. Very good. Thank you so much, Sugriv Gautam. Thank you. Okay. Mitra, what face is this?
Nine.
Smiley face. Very good. Mahilini. Good morning, Mahilini. What face is this?
Face. What face is this?
What face is this?
Sad face.
Sad face. Very good. Thank you so much. The Vihan is not there. Sorry. Dashwan Velan.
Very good.
What face is this? Mitra. Very good, Mitra. What action is this? What emotion is this? Come on, answer. Huh?
Thinking.
Thinking. Very good. Hazel. Hazel, what emotion is this?
Oh, wait.
Hazel.
See. Ma'am, laughing, no.
Hazel, what emotion is this? Oh, what do you say?
Hazel.
Happy face, huh?
Hazel. See here.
Good morning, sir. Good morning. Good morning.
Happy face.
How? Good morning.
Hazel.
Sir,
Hazel.
good morning, sir. Good morning.
Okay, don't compel her. Sai Shivanya. Sai Shivanya.
Oh, huh.
Shivanya.
Surprise.
What face is this? Smiley face. Oh my god. Not smiley face. Scared face. Okay? Next.
Shivanya, say, ma'am. Shivanya, what face is this, Shivanya?
What face is this?
Say louder.
Angry face. Shivanya, what face is this?
Angry.
Angry face. Very good, children. Thank you so much.
Good morning, sir. Good morning.
Hey. Good morning,
And then what is this? Radyani. What action is this? What will you say? When will you say this? Someone tell me. எப்ப சொல்லுவோம்? Keep quiet. Your mama will say keep quiet. No silence. Nihan, what action is this? Silence. Keep quiet.
Silent.
Say good morning, Nihan.
Good morning.
Good morning.
சத்தமா சொல்லணும்.
Good
Okay,
morning.
what face is this?
What is
Nihan, what action is this?
Think.
Thinking. Very good. Sugriv Gautam.
மேம் கூப்பிடுறாங்க. மேம்கிட்ட சொல்லுங்க.
What action is sad? Very good. Okay, children, I want you to bring any two vegetable, five in number. Okay? Come on, bring it for the counting activity. Any two vegetable. It can be a tomato, onion, whatever it is. Five. I need. 5 tomato, 5 onions. Five. Totally 10 must be there. Okay, Tarneshwar, good morning. Sunti, good morning. Yeah, good morning, ma'am. Good morning. Good morning, Vanilla, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good Vanilla, mama. Yeah, good morning, Rudvin.
Miss Kato.
Children, ask your parents to give you five vegetable, 2 vegetables. Tomato, onion, whatever you have, 5. Totally there must be 10. Yeah, good morning, Madhyasinda Joy. Carrot or tomato, onion, 5 each. Any 2 vegetables. 5 each. Okay, you are going to count. You are going to say the name of the vegetable and you are going to count. Keep it ready, Prisha. Good morning. Good morning. Children, as soon as you enter the session, call Vanilla ma'am and say good morning, children. You have to wish good morning, okay? Then I'll not know that you have joined the session. Ready, all of you? Okay, we'll start the session. Stand up, all of you. Join your hands and close your eyes. Stand up, all of you. Join your hands. Close your eyes. Jacinda Joy, will you repeat after ma'am? Jacinda Joy. Unmute yourself and repeat after ma'am, okay? Kids anthem.
Kids anthem.
Kids anthem.
சொல்லு திருப்பி kids anthem.
You are with me. You are infinite.
You are infinite. சொல்லு.
You are unique. My potential inside.
My potential.
You are the wind beneath my flight. You define me. My potential inside. Today I pledge with all my might, I shall achieve you. My potential inside. Let's open up your eyes. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, children. Good
Louder. Standing. Don't
Keep standing up. Don't sit. Don't sit. Keep standing.
keep standing. Okay? Don't sit. Okay? First, you are going to run. Running. Actions you are going to do. Running. How will you run? Run. Run in your place. Fast running. Run. Jumping. Jump fast. Flying. How will you fly? Fly. Okay. Turn around. Bend and touch your toes. Bend and touch your toes. Bend and touch your toes. Clap your hands. Wiggle your hands. Wiggle up. Wiggle up. Both your hands. Wiggle up. Wiggle down. Down, down, down. Wiggle up. Down. Up. Down. Now faster. Up. Down. Up. Down. Up. Down. Very good. Clap hands for yourself. Go drink one glass of water and come back. Come on. Drink water and come back, children. Fast.
Where are you? Bring the water come back.
Ready for attendance? Dashwan Velan. Dashwan. Here I am. You have to say here I am.
Here I am.
Very good. Hazel. I am. Hazel. Hazel.
Hazel, say here I am.
Here I am.
Say here I am. Say
Here
here I
I am. Okay, thank you, Hazel. Jacinda Joy. Mute yourself, Ma Kavi Kartika. Jacinda Joy.
Here I am.
Yes, Ma. Jason.
Here I am.
Kavi Kartika.
Here I am. Solle.
Thank you, Ma Kavi Kartika. Madhuvanti. Madhuvanti.
திருப்பி சொல்லு.
What? Keeping quiet. Mahilini.
Here I am.
Mahilini. Mahilini. Very good. Thank you, Ma Mahilini. Mitra.
Here I am.
Very good. Prisha Srinivasan.
Say.
Here I am.
Radhyani. Thank you, Ma. Radhyani.
Here I am.
Very good. Rudvin. Rudvin.
Here I am சொல்லு. Here I am. இங்க பாரு. Here I am. இங்க பாரு. ருத்வேன் இங்க பாரு. Here I am சொல்லு. Here I am. Here I am. Here I am.
Very good, Rudvin. Thank you, Rudvin. Sarah.
Here I am.
Sarah.
बोलो.
Sarah.
हाँ बोलो.
Let the baby.
अच्छा here I am
बोल
बोलो.
Sarah. बोल ना. Here I am.
Here I am.
Very good. Very good. Sai Shivanya. Sai Shivanya.
Yes ma'am.
Sai Shivanya. Very good, ma. Thank you. Santosh. Santosh.
Santosh is on leave today, ma'am.
Santosh. Leave. Okay, ma'am. Sri Ananya.
Here I am.
Very good, Sri Ananya. Sugriv Gautam. Sugriv Gautam.
சொல்லிடுங்க திருப்பி சொல்லிடுங்க மேம் கேட்கல.
Here I am.
Here I am. Where are you saying here I am? Vanilla ma'am. Where is Vanilla ma'am?
மேம் பார்த்து சொல்லுங்க.
Sugriv Gautam. Vanilla ma'am எங்க இருக்காங்க?
டச் பண்ணி காமிச்சுங்க.
La mami.
Dharneshwar. Dharneshwar.
Hey, here
Here I am.
Varsha.
Here I am.
Okay, ma. Varsha. Varsha. Kivisha Sai.
சொல்லு சத்தமா சொல்லு here I am சொல்லு
Here I am.
Very good, Visha. Vihan.
Here I am சொல்லு.
Here I am.
Very good, Vihan. Thank you so much, children. Now come on, get ready with the activity. Where is your vegetables? Where is your vegetables? Okay, very good. First, Vihan, finish counting your vegetables. What all vegetables you brought?
What are the vegetables you have? Vihan, tell.
Sound up.
One.
No.
What are the vegetables?
What are the vegetables?
Okay. Everyone, yourself, children will move themselves. I'll call you one by one. First, Rudvin will do the activity.
Sound up.
Rudvin, move yourself. I'll call you Rudvin.
சொல்லு potato and onion சொல்லு.
Okay, potato and onion. Count.
Count
Count
some.
one by one.
How many potatoes? Count how many potatoes?
Count one by one.
அங்க பொட்டேட்டோ சொல்லு.
First, Ananya, mute yourself. I'll call you
Very
Ganesh.
good.
How many onions?
How many onions? Count.
I can't hear you, Mavihan. Five potatoes and 5 onions. Totally, how many are there?
Total எவ்வளவு? Count பண்ண?
Totally, how many are there? Count.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
அவ்வளவுதான்.
10.
10.
Totally, there are 10 vegetables. Okay. Thank you, Mavihan.
Very good சொல்றாங்க. Thank you சொல்லு.
Thank you, Mom.
Welcome, Mitra. Mitra is ready.
Yeah. Count.
Next, Jason, be ready. Louder, Ma Mitra. I can't hear you. Unmute yourself and count.
4.
Okay, one.
1. Onion.
She herself will do it.
2. 3.
Fast.
4. 5.
5 tomatoes or onion? What is that? Tomato. Okay, good. Good, very good. Next one.
Count.
1,
Need
2.
to count இது.
1, 2.
3, 4, 5. 5 potatoes. 5 potatoes. Very good, Mitra. Thank you so much. Sarah. Sorry, Jason.
Jason, count பண்ணு. Tomatoes first count பண்ணு. Count பண்ணு. சரி, அது என்னது? Ladies finger சொல்லு.
Okay, count. Ladies finger.
Count பண்ணு.
Sarah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Very
I
good.
open 12.
12. Oh, you have 12 ladies finger. Very good.
I
Jason.
love the tomato.
Well done. How many tomatoes are there?
Tomato I have.
Count பண்ணு.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Very good. Well done, ma Jason. Sarah. Children, count fast, children. Sarah, count.
Carrots. How many carrots are there? 1.
1.
Hello. 2 carrots.
Open your mouth and say, Sarah. 2. Loudly. Close the bolo. 2.
Next. अच्छा रख डाले जा ये बोल नेक्स्ट बोल
1.
1 2 ये क्या है ये 2
Okay, all together, how many are there? Count all together.
1 2 3 बोल को काउंट करो सारा 1 2 सारा काउंट करो 1 ये क्या अच्छा कितना 2 Brother? 3.
Give another bowl or plate.
Oh.
Let her take and drop it. Sarah's mom.
Okay.
Will be confused. I'll call her later. Okay.
Okay.
The next is Madhuvanti. Madhuvanti.
Yes, ma'am. Sollu. Count. Count.
1,
Hmm.
2,
Hmm.
3,
Hmm.
4. Kavi nana.
பாருங்க நீங்க பண்ணுங்க.
4. Okay, you fight afterwards. First count. Next, Madhuvanti.
போடுங்க.
5.
5.
Next.
அது. 5.
Very good. Well done. Thank you so much, Madhuvanti. Dharneshwar.
Sound சத்தமா சொல்லு. 1 சொல்லு. கவுண்ட் பண்ணு. 1.
Hmm.
2.
Hmm. Keep it down. 2. 5. 5 tomatoes. Okay, next. Slowly. Next.
1, 2,
3.
4, 5.
5 tomatoes and 5 onions. Very good. Next is Visha.
இந்தா விஷா நீதான். கவுண்ட் பண்ணு. சரி கவுண்ட் பண்ணு. அப்புறமா விளையாடலாம்.
Counting, you have to count it totally, children. How many vegetables you have, okay?
விஷா.
Count Visha one by one.
சத்தமா 1. போடு. சத்தமா 6. சத்தமா சொல்லு.
7, 8,
9, 10. No 10 na.
எக்ஸ்ட்ரா போட்டா.
10 போட்டா. Okay, very good, Visha. Hazel.
Come on. So count it. Start.
Count Hazel.
Say 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Huh? What is that? 10 na.
5.
Hazel.
Is it 1?
She was not like this, you know. She was very quiet, but you are very naughty, Hazel.
Yes, ma'am. Very, very naughty.
Very, very naughty, I can see.
One.
Hazel, pick up and drop the vegetable in the table, ma. Come on.
Start it. Count it.
Count.
Say count it. Start counting. Say 1. Say 1.
10 till 10 you count. 10 vegetables you count. 1. Take it in your hand one by one. 1.
1. No, guys. 1. Say 1. Say count it now. 1.
Hazel. Okay, count and tell to your mama. Okay, I'll move on to the other child. Dashwan.
Say 1. 2. 1. 2. 3. 4. See 1. Open some pieces. 1. Why open some pieces?
Next.
Onion, ginger, 1,
Totally how many vegetables you have? Total count பண்ணுங்க. Totally take it in your hand and count. Keep the vegetable in the floor, pick up and drop it in the plate or tray, whatever you have.
1, 2,
3,
3, 4, 4, 7,
5,
5,
6, 7,
5.
7, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. Where is 8, 9, 10? Dashwan. Naughty boy. Okay, next is Sri Ananya. Count totally must be Ananya. Count it totally.
One second. So go.
2, 3, 4,
5,
5,
6,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5. Totally you count it upwards, okay? Next is my lesson. Sai Shivanya. Sai Shivanya. Shivanya.
இருமா வெயிட் பண்ணு போடு
Count it totally.
லவுடர் சத்தமா சொல்லு
9, 10. Very good, Shivanya. Prisha.
Yeah, start counting, Prisha.
1,
Louder.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10.
Very good, Prisha. Mahirini.
Magiri. Count.
I'm here.
Okay, count.
Count for Mahirini.
Count.
ஓட்ட எத்தனை கேரட்ஸ் இருக்கு கவுண்ட் பண்ணு ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கவுண்ட் பண்ணு அப்படி
Yes,
அப்படி
count
இல்ல அப்படி சொன்னா தெரியாது
Count.
பீன்ஸ் எத்தனை
Very
கவுண்ட்
good
பண்ணு
girl. Count.
கவுண்ட் பண்ணு ஸ்டார்ட் கவுண்டிங்
If you count, I'll give you a star.
Sound.
You want star?
Ah.
Mahirini, star.
ஸ்டார்ட் கொடுக்குறாங்க பாரு
Count பண்ணு. Louder count பண்ணு.
Everyone, I'll give you a star, okay?
Count. One. Count.
இது
Ah.
Finished. Mahirini.
Three carrots.
I didn't hear what you said.
Oh, okay.
7
Ka-
7 க்கு அப்புறம் கவுண்ட் பண்ணு எத்தனை கேரட்ஸ்
7, then
Ah.
8.
Sound. 8.
8ல சொல்லு
1, 2, 3, 8. இங்க இருந்து கவுண்ட் பண்ணு ஃபர்ஸ்ட்.
Ayyo.
கவுண்ட் பண்ணு
4.
பாப்பா ஃபர்ஸ்ட்ல இருந்து கவுண்ட்
No
பண்ணு
surprise
10
for you.
வரைக்கும் கவுண்ட் பண்ணு அப்ப சர்ப்ரைஸ் கிடையாது உனக்கு நீ
7, 8, 10. Where is 9? You ate. Okay, next is Radhyani. Thank you, Ma Shivanya. Count one more. Sorry, Mahirini. Count one more time. Radhyani. Radhyani. Very good. Thank you, Maradhyani. Next is Santosh. Santosh is leave. Sugriv Gautam.
ஹாய் சொல்லு மேம்க்கு கூப்பிடுறாங்க
Sugriv Gautam.
ஹாய் சொல்லு
ஹாய் சொல் மாம் கூப்பிடுறாங்க பாரு
Sugriv Gautam.
அங்க இருக்காங்க மேம்
அப்பா எங்க போனாங்க?
அப்பா வந்துட்டாங்க
முதல் மேம் பாருங்க.
மேம் பாருங்கம்மா சுக்ரீவ் மேம் பாருங்க மேம் பாருங்க
Ma'am. Come on, count.
கவுண்ட் பண்ணுங்க
Ready?
sister.
Count. One by one, take and count.
2 சத்தமா
Be ready with empty plate, children. Everyone, don't give the vegetable to your parents. Be ready with the empty plate. Okay. Now I'll tell you how many you have to take separately. Okay. Be ready with an empty plate. Count ma Sugriv Gautam.
சுக்ரீவ் கவுண்ட் 4 சத்தமா கவுண்ட் பண்ணுங்க நீங்க கவுண்ட் பண்ணுங்க
4, 5,
5 கவுண்ட் பண்ணு இது என்னது
Tommy.
சரி எவ்வளவு கவுண்ட் பண்ணது
6,
7.
7, 8,
சத்தமா
9,
அப்புறம் இது கீழே என்ன பரவாயில்ல
10,
11.
12,
Very good.
13, 14, 16, 17,
14, 15, 16, 10, 15, 16, then we'll go to 14, 15 and all. Okay, Rudvin, count one more time afterwards, okay? Rudvin,
சொல்லுமா சொல்லுமா 2
குட்டி
போடு 1
Rudvin,
1 சொல்லு 1 மிஸ் பாரு மிஸ் 1 இது என்ன சொல்லு மிஸ் இது என்ன சொல்லு இது என்னது ஆனியன்
1,
போடு 1 2
மேம்
சொல்லு
கூட
1
மேம் பாருடா
இங்க பாரு கிரேட் 1
முதல்ல மேம பாருடா
கிரேட் 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9
very
Miss, finish.
good, wonderful, okay? And this star goes for everyone. Everyone gets a red color star for counting, okay? Thank you so much, children. Next, come on, take your plate. You all have the vegetables, right? Now, take 2 vegetables from that. Only 2 vegetables and put it in the plate. Show me correctly. 2, only 2. Count 1, 2. Show me your plate. No need to unmute yourself. Just show me your plate. Any 2 vegetable. Very good, Prisha. Good. Very good, Ananya, Prisha, Sara,
1
Richa,
1
Adhyani,
1
Hazel,
1
Mahilini. Good.
1
Very good. Mute yourself. Everyone mute yourself. Okay, now put it back. Put it back. Empty your plate. And now we are going to take 4 vegetable. 4. Count and take 4. 4, 2, 3, 4. Like that you have to count and take. Very good, Sri Ananya, Prisha. Good. Count and take 1, 2, 3, 4. After you get 4, no, stop. Okay? Should not take 5. Only till 4. No 5. Okay, finished everyone. 4. Very good, Madhuvanti, Tarneshwar. Good. Okay, next, come on, empty your plates. Empty your plate. Now only 1. Only 1. 1. Only 1. Dashwan, 1. Empty your plate, Dashwan. 1. Only 1. Not more than that. I must see only 1 vegetable in your plate. 1. Very good. Well done. Okay, now 5. Count and take 5 fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ready? Very good. Tisha counting very fast. Good. Ananya, Shivanya. Good. Adhyani, Mahilini. Good. Tarneshwar, good ma. Very good. Ravi Kartika, show me 5 vegetable. Show your plates. Good. Very good, Dashwan. Good. Very good. Now 3. 3. 1, 2, 3. 3. Empty your plate. Only 3. 3. 3. Only 3. Hazel. Very good, Hazel. Very good, Ananya, Visha. Vihan, Sugriv Gautam, Madhuvanti, Taruneshwar, counting. Okay, good. 1, 2, 3. 3 means stop. That's all. Jacinda Joy. Jacinda Joy and Jason. Unmute yourself. Very good. Jason. Jason. Where are you, Jason?
I'm there.
Good. Thank you. Okay, very
No.
good, children. Clap hands for yourself. And pink star is for everyone. Pink color star. Happy? Very good. Okay, come on, give the vegetables here, Mama. Take your slate and chalk piece. Take your slate and chalk piece. Ready? Ready, children? Come on, look at the screen. Look at the screen, everyone. Today we are going to learn about square shape. Okay, already we learned about circle. Today we are going to learn about the square shape. Look at the screen, everyone. Square shape. What is the shape you see in the screen? It's a square. So what are the examples for square? Blackboard, carom board, bread. You all like bread, right? Bread, window. Okay, all the windows will not be in square shape, but some windows they are in square shape. Okay, so blackboard, carom board, bread, window. Okay, and a square has 4 sides. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4. How many sides are there in a square? 4 sides. Show me your 4 fingers. 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 fingers, 4 sides. And all sides are equal. Okay, all the sides are equal. And square has 4 sides. And now we are going to draw a square in your slate. Come on, draw a square in your slate. Parents can keep 4 dots and give it to them. Let them join the dots for a square.
Sound சொல்லு. Say louder.
I'm finished, ma'am.
Finish. 4 dots for a square. Let them join the dots.
Finish, ma'am.
4 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. See here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Everyone.
Show.
A big
Ma'am, Shivanya finished, ma'am.
Very good, Shivanya. A big square. Very good. Very good, Hazel. Okay. Now, inside the big square, you are going to draw a small square. This is big, right? Now, sorry, next to the big square, you are going to draw a small square. Next to the big one, going to draw a small one. Finish?
பக்கத்துல வரைய சொல்லிருக்காங்க.
Okay.
Okay, inside if you are drawing also, it's okay. My mistake, I only told inside.
Sorry, finished.
Finish. Very good, Mahilini. Good. Writing part, you are doing very well, Mahilini. Good. Very good. Okay, children, now point out which is the big square here. Which is the big square here? This one or this one? Which is the biggest one? Which one? This one, huh? Is this big? Which is big? Is ma'am correct? This is big one? Yes or no? Nod your head. Yes, ma'am, or no, ma'am? No, Mailini. Which is big? Come on, touch your screen.
Edu
Which is big? Touch your screen and tell me which is
screen
big.
edu big.
Which is big? Everyone touching your screen. Which is big?
Not small.
Which is big? Okay, now I am going to color the big square. Correct, ma'am is coloring correct? Big square. And which is the small one? This is the small one. All of you take your rough notebook. The same way you are going to draw two squares using dots. Parents using dots they have to draw. And then a small square also using dots. And two colors you are going to give. The big square you are going to color yellow. And the small square you are going to color green. Come on, take your rough notebook. Big square with yellow color and the small square with green color. Okay? Yes, Jason?
Okay.
Okay. Hazel is ready. Jacinda Joy, perfect. She herself is taking her notebook. Good girl.
No, I'm not. Listen. Okay.
Now take your rough notebook. Take a fresh page. Parents, from Monday will be doing calendar activity. That is a monthly calendar. If you have, please be ready with that. We'll be coloring the date every day. No daily calendar, monthly calendar. If you don't have, also please prepare for that. For that only priorly I am telling you, from Monday onwards we'll do. Monday's date is, what is the date today? 22. 22 means we'll color that 22 date. So please be ready with the monthly calendar from Monday onwards.
Ma'am.
Finished, Amma? Good.
Finished, ma'am.
Very good, Vihan. Very good, Kavi Kartika. Good. Now on top of it, those who have finished, on top of it draw a small triangle and make it look like a house. Both the triangles, when you finish coloring, you can draw a small triangle like mountain pattern and then you can make it like a house. After you finish drawing the square only, okay? The middle itself you should not do. First, when you complete the square shape, completely finish it. And then you draw the triangle. Very good, Vihan. Finished, Vihan?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this star goes for you, Vihan.
Thank you.
For Vihan.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Welcome. Next, who finished? Parents also give them a star.
Ma'am, yellow color for the big square and the small square should be in green.
Green color, yeah.
Finished, ma'am.
Very good, Visha. Show me, Visha.
Ma'am.
Visha. 1 minute, ma. Visha, very good. This is for Visha.
Pink color.
For Visha. Let's finish. Welcome. Madhvanti. Very good, Madhvanti. This is for Madhvanti. Let's start. Good. And then, Prisha finished. Prisha finish. Very good, Prisha. Looks like a house. Good. And this goes for Prisha.
That's for you. Say thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, Prisha. Darshan.
Ma'am, Sattama.
Finished, ma'am.
Dashwan. Dashwan. I can see sun only. Good ma, Dashwan. This goes for Dashwan. Dashwan. Dashwan, don't put star. Okay, no need of star to Dashwan.
Finish. Start பண்ணுங்க.
This is for Dashwan. Okay. Next is Shivanya.
சுக்ரி கோதும் கூப்பிடுறாங்க.
Say louder, Shivanya.
This is for Gautam. Yes, call you children one by one. I'll call you. This is for Gautam.
Thank you, ma'am.
See here. This is for Sugriv Gautam. Welcome. Dharneshwar. Dharneshwar, yeah, Jacinda Joy. This is for Dharneshwar. All of you mute yourself, children. I'll call you now. Mute yourself. One by one, I'm going to call you. This is for Dharneshwar. Dharneshwar, happy. Yeah, 1 minute, ma Kavi Kartika. Happy Dharneshwar, you didn't see at all. Okay. Next is Jacinda Joy. What is your coloring?
Finish, ma'am.
Good. And this is for Jacinda Joy. Yeah, this is for you, Jacinda Joy.
Okay, ma'am. Finish, ma'am.
Happy? Next is Kavi Kartika. Very good, Kavi Kartika. This is for you.
Let's go.
This is for you, Kavi Kartika. Happy? Welcome. And then who else finished? Shivanya. Shivanya. This is for Shivanya.
See your red star.
Red color star. Very good. Beautiful. Right. Next, Madhvanti.
I want
Pink star.
Pink color. Okay. Pink star. Okay. Happy? Welcome. Madhvanti.
what color you want? என்ன star வேணும்? What color star?
you need?
சொல்லுங்க.
Thinking.
Any color?
Any color. I have only 3 color stars. Green, red and pink. What color you need?
Thank you so much.
3 stars. Only 1 star. What color you need?
What color you want? Tell
Red
me one color.
or
Red,
green?
ma'am. She want red now, ma'am.
Red color star. And red color star goes for Madhvanti.
Thank
Okay.
you, ma'am, sir.
Next year, Jason. Welcome. Jason.
Jason, ma'am.
Jason. Very good, Jason. Big one and a small one. And this star goes for Jason.
Thank you, Suri.
Happy?
Thank you.
Yeah, welcome. Mahilini.
Mahilini, coming.
Okay.
Very good, Mahilini. Good. And this goes for Mahilini. Pink
Hey.
color star.
Okay.
Yeah, this is
Happy?
for you.
Thank you, ma'am.
He's smiling good. See Ananya. Show me. Very good. Good girl. Okay, this is for Sri Ananya. Ananya.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Anyone?
Sarah is there.
Hazel. Sarah.
Sarah, bata.
Sarah. Hey, wow, Sarah. Very good. Very cute square. And the pink one goes for you.
Sarah,
Pink
pink star, dekh. Thank you.
Pink star. Welcome. Next is Hazel. Hazel.
காட்டு மிஸ் கிட்ட காட்டு.
Hazel. Rudvin. Very good, Rudvin. And Rudvin gets the green color star. Green color. Hazel is not there, huh? Okay. Children, everyone I asked you, right? Did I miss out anyone? Radhyarni? Radhyarni is there. Radiyani. Okay. Yeah, good. Yeah, I can see you. See you. This is for you. Happy? Red color star. Okay, thank you so much, children. You finished your activity very well. And now take your English notebook. Take your English notebook. And today we are going to write curve pattern. Write today's date. Draw 3 columns. Ask your parents to draw 3 columns.
मेरा पैर सब दिख रहा है.
Hazel, where is your drawing, ma Hazel? Hazel, I didn't see yours. Where is yours? Show me. Good only. Why don't you show me? It's nice only. What color star you need? Pink color or red color? Which color you need? Pink. Pink or red?
Pink. Yes. Say pink.
Pink. I know you like pink. Correct?
Yes.
Pink only. Okay, this goes for you. Okay, now take your English notebook. Come on. Time up. We'll write at least 3 lines today. Curve pattern. 2 dots from the red line to the blue line. Okay? And a curve. Top to bottom. Front side curve. Curve. Dots. Only parents just help them with the dots alone. Is there anyone who is still holding your parents' hand and writing? Parents, is there anyone still you are holding your child hand and writing? Let me know. Or else the child themselves are writing. If in case you are still holding your child hand, please let me know, so that I can suggest you any ways that they can write independently. Is there anyone? Sarah is writing on her own. Sarah's mom, Sarah is writing on her own.
No, not that much, ma'am. She is actually writing in slate, but in note she is facing difficulty.
Facing difficulty. That's what holding the pencil is correct. See, let's
no. First I said.
No, right. Join the dots and write. 2 lines you can help her, Sarah's mom. Third line, let her try and write.
Okay.
Even if it is 5 lines also okay, but holding your hands will not help her. They need not write the whole page, but at least 1 line without holding the hand, they should write. From next week, we'll be starting worksheet. At that time, how will she write? Sarah, come on, write. You'll get a star. I'll give you star, Sarah. Come on, write. Star, you need? Write, come on. Come on, write. Good girl. Start writing. Those who are not able to write, parents can guide them like keeping dots like this, like a curve pattern itself. Full dots. And upon that, let them write over that, like this. Let them follow the dots and write. Those are feeling very difficult to write, only for them. Others, those are able to write, only 2 dots for them. ருத்வினுக்கெல்லாம் நீங்க full dots வச்சு கொடுக்கலாம் curve pattern மாதிரி. Okay, write in slate, Sarah. You write in slate. Afterwards, you can write in notebook. Come on, write in slate. Let me see. Slate, Nico.
Ma'am, Radiyani finished.
Very good, Radiyani. Perfect. Rest of the lines also you finish it, ma.
Can I draw?
Good, perfect. Kavikartika, let me see how we are writing.
Ma'am, Ananya completed, ma'am.
Very good, Ananya. Full page, ah?
Yes, full page.
Wow, good. Red to blue line or red to red line? I think little bit closer, ma, Ananya.
Close. Hit a come.
Can't see properly. See, that much big she should not write. From red line to blue line.
Red line to red line. You should write.
Red line to blue. Erase and give it to her, Ananya's dad. Kavi Karthika, are you writing on your own? நீங்களே எழுதுறீங்களா? கவி கார்த்திகா நீங்களே எழுதுறீங்களா? யாரனா ஹெல்ப் பண்றாங்களா?
No, ma'am.
Who is there next to her? Who is next to Kavi Karthika? Kavi Karthika, your mama?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, how is she writing? She's writing on her own, huh?
Yeah, she is writing on own, ma'am.
Okay, well. Rest of the lines also finish, ma Kavi Karthika. Good.
Thank you.
Yeah, welcome.
Ma'am.
Shivanya, don't have a table, Shivanya. Sit properly and write. Your legs will pain, Shivanya. Sit properly and write. Hold your legs and sit. Bend and write. I know you will write, but sit properly and write. Your legs will pain. That's what I'm telling you. Very good, Shivanya. Good. Rest of the lines also finish it, Kana. Hold your legs and sit. Then it will be comfortable for you.
Ma'am, Mitra.
Mitra. Yeah, good. Vihan, good. Finish.
Madhuvanti finished, ma'am.
Madhuvanti. Red line to blue line. Yeah, good. Very good, Madhuvanti. Well done. Next, who else? Jason, finish.
Writing, ma'am. Able to speak?
Ma'am.
Dharneshwar, very good. Why you didn't write in your notebook, Dharneshwar? Very good, Prisha. Dharneshwar, write in notebook. Now, why are you writing in your slate? Only for Sara, I told her to write in slate. Others should write in your notebook only. I know Dharneshwar, you will write very well. Come on, write in your notebook.
I'm Jason, ma'am.
Jason, very good, Jason.
Finish, ma'am.
Darshan is writing on his phone or you're holding his hand, Darshan's mom.
Yeah.
Darshan's mom. Darshan, அவங்களே எழுதுறாங்களா?
They write it own, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Own means very good. I'm happy for that. Please, parents, if you're holding your child, we'll move slowly for them. Radhyani, very good, Radhyani. Okay. Then this star goes for everyone. Parents, I want you to give star in their notebooks also. On my behalf, please give them star. If you have a sketch pen, please give them red color or green color or yellow color or pink color, any color. If you have sketch pens in your home, give them a colorful star. They'll be very happy. Rosa, finish the whole page. Get a star from your parents. If I am there, I'll definitely give them with sketch pen, or I'll even give them stickers. What to do?
Ma'am,
Sudhir Gautam, Finisha.
he's struggling to put C actually, but he's putting it as a big one only in the notebook.
Notebook.
Uh,
Slate.
Slate he'll join, but I'll do it in a bigger size now, so it will be easy for him. But
Okay, I want you to guide him for 2 or 3 lines holding his hand. That too with full dots, not only 2 dots. Guide him
Okay.
with full dots. Let him follow the dots fully.
Okay. So far he has done
Like
only
three.
these two.
Like three itself full dots. You keep like this and give it to him.
Okay,
Let him
ma'am.
follow the full dot. Then he'll get that control. He'll not write too much big.
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
For 3 lines at least you guide him like that. Then see
Okay.
whether in the 4th line he is able to follow that.
Okay. Okay.
And the main thing parents, everyone should notice red line to blue line. For capital letters, red line to blue line. That you must regularly tell them. From red line to blue line. From red line to blue line. Then only they'll stop in the blue line, or else they'll not stop. They'll be continuing again with the red line. So that is very important. Frequently when we tell them again and again, they themselves will follow the line later. Very good children. All of you got a star in your notebook? Show me your notebook, those who got stars. Hazel, finish. Hazel. Good, Shivanya. Very good, Mama Shivanya. Give a high five to your mama. Colorful star.
It's Shima.
Thank you, Shivania's mom. Next. Wow, big star. That too in between, the middle of the notebook. Hazel's mom. How will she write rest of the lines?
Yes, Shima.
The marking parents, they have to finish the whole page. Okay, finish the whole page, Hazel.
2.
Even though, thank you, Hazel's mom, for your encouragement. Thank you. Next, well,
And Jason.
Jason got 2 color stars.
Finish line.
Very good. Jason, happy? Give high five to your mom. She gave you 2 stars, right?
No, wait. You
Very good. Got the 2 stars. Jason, right. Very good. Those are 14 stars. That's a colorful stars from your parents. So give high five to your mom.
Again,
What is this? I can't hear anything.
Say again. Say again.
Say again.
I got star and I got at the star and
You got stars.
I got
Give a
rain.
high five to your mom. Give a high five to your mom. She gave you stars, right?
She's saying that she got rainbow, she got ice cream and all that.
Wow, your mama is so great. See how many she gave you? Very good, mama. Thank you, precious mom. Okay, now high five to ma'am, Vanilla ma'am. High five to everyone forgot Vanilla mama. High five.
High five.
High five. Everyone. High five. High five. Okay, thank you, children. Thanks for your cooperation. Bye-bye. Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Bye, everyone.
Thank you.
Bye, bye. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.